Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to enable screen time on iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch this video to the end. Give it a like. Let's get started. To do this, you need to go to Settings on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down to the bottom. Open Screen Time. Then turn off Screen Time. Here you press Turn off Screen Time again. And then you choose the first or second setting. I choose this one. And then you wait 10 seconds. And it'll load and we can turn on screen time on our iPhone. Now we can see our stats live. How many hours, how much time we are sitting on social media, playing some games, sitting in apps and so on. We can see here for 1 week, for 1 month, and also for 1 day. And this is updated within 24 hours and so on. So we can scroll through and see all this stuff here. In order for us to turn it off later on, we have to click Turn off screen time and turn it off. You may have to enter a password. As soon as you go into screen time, turn it on. You'll need to come up with a password, but don't forget it. If you forget it, it will need to be taken and changed using your Apple ID. And that's how easy it is to do it. If you like and this video helped you, you can subscribe to the channel. Like it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.